Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on integrating Firebase in your app. Today, I'll show you how Firebase powers our app NutriCare. NutriCare helps users to track their nutrition and achieve a healthier lifestyle. But to make NutriCare seamless and scalable, we needed Firebase. So let's dive in.
So, Firebase is a powerful tool by Google that used and helped developers to build app faster. So, integrating Firebase in our app helps us in our authentication, making our login users be secure in their login. Also, in the Cloud Firestore, we store the information of the users so that it can be more secure. And also, integrating Firebase in our NutriCare will help us monitor the users' BMI so we can track the users' progress.
Go to the Firebase console and you can create project, and then you just enter project name, which is NutriCare database project. Click continue, then continue again and select account default. Just wait this project setup. After that, click the continue button with the dashboard with our project, and then we go here with Android. As you can see, there's a lot of errors, so we just need to go to the Android folder and build Gradle under the app level, and then copy this name and paste it here. We have app nickname, but this is also optional, but you can also just click this button, then continue. Then we just need also to download this JSON file, which provides configuration details and links our app to the correct Firebase backends. After downloading JSON file, we just need to transfer it here in the app level under project folder. Then after that, click the next button and just copy this line of code and paste it here. Under the app level build Gradle, then just need to do some notification. We also need to copy this line of code and paste it here. Under the app level build Gradle, also have copy this code and paste it here. Click the next button and paste it here in dependencies. Next button, copy here in dependencies. Next button, continue to console.
So next, we were going to search the Firebase core. Firebase core is a fundamental component for the NutriCare app, as it serves as the backbone for many essential features and ensures smooth integration with Firebase services. Then next, go to the pub spec. Then paste the Firebase core under the Cupertino icons from dependency. Then Ctrl S to download the dependency that we add. After you successfully download, we go to the left, then click the main.dart. Then type or input the widget Flutter bending. Ensure initialize and click enter and input await Firebase. Initialize app, go back to pubdev, then search Firebase auth, and you will see here the Firebase auth. Click it and then copy the Firebase auth 5.3.3. Go back to the pub spec under the Firebase core that we put earlier. Paste the Firebase auth 5.3.3 and then Ctrl S to download the Firebase auth. Go back to the pubdev, search for Cloud Firestore, and then copy the Cloud Firestore 5.5.0. Go back to the pub spec and paste the Cloud Firestore under the Firebase auth. Ctrl S to download the Cloud Firestore.
So, after we install the Cloud Firestore and Firebase auth in our PubSpec YAML, we go to our live, then authentication, then we create a class that is named auth services. Here is where the process of our authentication happens. So we initialize Firebase Firestore in the underscore Firestore, which is the instance of Firebase Firestore. The next is we initialize also the Firebase auth with final, using final Firebase auth underscore auth. Yes, the underscore auth, then putting the instance. Then after that, this is for the sign up. This is a function for sign up. So here, we create a future string, sign up users. And here, in this function, it requires the users to input the name. It also requires to input the email. It also requires to input the password. And after putting this, we sync it. Then after this, we initialize also a variable for our trapping. And after we initialize this, we create a try catch. And after we create a try catch, we put a conditional inside that if email is not empty, or password is not empty, or name is not empty, then using the user credential, it stores to our Firebase auth. When email is not empty, password is not empty, and name is not empty, it will go to the Firebase auth and it will create user with email and password, storing the email and password. And also we put the await for the Firestore. Here we want the information from our users to be also stored not only in authentication but also in Firestore. So we create a collection, and inside collection a documentation. And inside documentation we put also a UID or user ID. We set the name for name, we call the name the string name up above. And just password. Then after that we return e to string, and also we return res. So for our trapping. Next is when we create a function for login users. It's the same process as the sign up users, but there's a little change. Here we create a function which is named login user that requires users to input an email and a password. Then after this, we sync it, and inside we also create like the other function. We create a res for our trapping. Some error occurred. This is in case there's some error. And using try catch. Inside try catch, we also use conditional like the other function before. But if email is not empty, password is not empty, then it will sign in using the Firebase auth. That sign in, email, and password. Then after this, we also create res to change its success that if email is not empty and password is not empty, then it will sign in using the Firebase authentication and showing the res success. And then catch e return e to string, return res. Oops, I have made.
To summarize, Firebase is the backbone of NutriCare. Empower its authentication, data storage, and notification. So thank you for watching.